Hi, I'm Vicki Schipper, an Associate Lecturer in the Open University Law School. I'm going to talk to you about what it's like to move from Level 1 to Level 2 study on the law degree. So at Level 1, you've been building your foundation knowledge. You've been learning about the law and you've been developing basic skills. You've had to go at different styles of assessment, you've had to go at essay questions, and you've had to go at problem questions using the IRAC approach. So what's different at Stage 2? Stage 2 is going to build on those foundational skills. The key is broader and wider knowledge. That's a given. That's what the law degree is all about, learning about different legal subjects. What is key to doing well at Stage 2 is how you develop your legal skills. So what you need to do is move beyond describing the law to make sure you're engaging with it and responding to the questions that you're given. So you'll come across words at Stage 2 like evaluate, analyse, evidence. These are the sorts of words that are telling you what to do with the information, so that when you get a question that you need to answer for an assessment, you need to break it into two parts. You need to identify the content that you need to include, as well as those process words that I've just been talking about, so you know what to do with the content. And what you do with that content is how you increase marks. So specifically, there are 3 steps that I want you to think about when you are responding to a question. I conveniently call them the 3 R's. They are resources, reading, and referencing. So resources, when you're answering a question, think about the resources you use. Are they quality? Are they suitable? Are you using academic authors? Are you looking back at the primary law? Are you just relying on textbooks? Try and take a broad approach and use a range of resources. The next R is reading. So reading is all about making sure you're looking critically at the information that you read. It's not just about reading for understanding. You need to go beyond that and think about, do you agree with the author? Why have they presented a particular point of view? Is there another point of view? And this can apply equally to case law as much as it does to an article. Do you agree with the judges? Through reading in that way and reading with a critical eye, you will begin to develop your own thought process to help you evaluate and analyse. And the last R is referencing. So remember, with your referencing, it's about crediting those authors, crediting those sources that you found. So make sure you put in clear in-text references to whose opinion you're talking about and whether you agree or not. Clear references to where law comes from in terms of case law or statute, and that you follow the referencing conventions both in text and at the end of your assignment. So those are my top tips, the things to think about and to focus on for Stage 2. Which resources you use, how you read them, and make sure you are properly referencing them. Best of luck with Stage 2 study.